If you want to enable the Duolingo widget on iPhone or iPad, here's exactly what you need to do. First of all, make sure the Duolingo app is installed and updated to the latest version from the App Store. Now, go to your home screen, tap and hold on an empty area until your apps start jiggling. Then, tap on the Edit button at the top left corner. After that, choose Add Widget. This will open the widget gallery. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Duolingo and then tap on the app when it appears. After that, swipe through the available widget sizes and choose the one you want by tapping on Add Widget. Finally, drag it to wherever you want on your home screen or to review. When you're done, tap Done at the top right corner. And that's all. Now you will see your daily streak or quick access to lessons right from your home screen. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.